to Turbo Rider, your ultimate destination for everything two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated off-road machines of the year, the 2025 Honda CRF 450. With its legendary performance lineage and relentless pursuit of innovation, Honda has once again raised the bar for motocross excellence. Whether you're a competitive racer or a weekend warrior, this bike demands your attention. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CRF 450 is an updated 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled Unicam 4-stroke engine. This powerhouse delivers explosive torque and smoother power delivery across the rev range. Thanks to revised ECU mapping and improved fuel injection, throttle response is crisp and predictable, even in the most challenging conditions. Honda continues to fine-tune its engine for maximum efficiency without compromising raw power, ideal for both track and trail. Suspension and handling. Suspension is a major area where Honda has dialed things in. The Showa 49mm coil spring fork and ProLink rear suspension have received internal upgrades for better bottoming resistance and improved mid-stroke control. This means more confidence when launching off jumps or hammering through whoops. Combined with a lightweight aluminum frame, the 2025 CRF 450 offers razor-sharp handling and incredible stability, even under heavy braking. Electronics and ride modes. One of the standout features in the 2025 model is its enhanced electronics package. The selectable engine modes and Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) give riders the ability to customize power delivery to suit different terrains and skill levels. Whether you're riding loose sand, slick mud, or hard-packed dirt, the CRF 450 adapts on the fly, helping you stay in control and push harder. Design and ergonomics. Honda didn't stop at performance. The 2025 CRF 450 also boasts fresh styling updates. The slim bodywork, new graphics, and updated seat design provide improved rider movement and a more aggressive look. Weight centralization has also been optimized for better rider balance and control, reducing fatigue during long rides. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CRF 450 is more than just a dirt bike, it's a precision tool built for domination. With its refined engine, upgraded suspension, smart electronics, and rider-friendly ergonomics, it's clear that Honda has listened to both pros and enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a high-performance motocross machine, this bike should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more high-octane content from Turbo Rider. Until next time, keep the throttle pinned and the rubber side down.